What's going on, everybody? My name's Jordan, aka Anonymous Seconds. Today we're going thrifting and trying to make some money. Actually quit my 9 to 5, you could say, my job, to do this full time. Was it the best decision? Kind of struggling. It is what it is. I made a choice and I'm trying to stick with it. I'm trying to get through this. Today is Sunday. That means dollar day at Goodwill's. That means I could get 50 items for 50 bucks. Let's get to this thrift store. Let's see all the blue tags we can find. If I find something that's really worth it to pick up for the regular price, I usually pick it up, but that has to be really good. I found a Patagonia pullover at the last stop, and I picked that up for the $5. Today's all about getting as much stuff for as little of a price as I can. I mean, that's what you do every day when you resell. But let's just go through. You're an hour away, man. Pack. Thanks, just. Alright, so now we try to find blue tags, but not stuff like Stafford. Stafford is not anything good to get, so we're not going to pick that up. This is just a Hanes. We don't want that either. So we have to find blue tags that actually have like a decent name behind them. Is this blue tag? Blue? No. People buy it. So, oh, there's one. Hawk. Not the greatest, but it'll do. I'll make, I don't know, $7-8 off that. So I have to pass up on stuff that I might actually get if I wasn't in the predicament that I'm in now. So it sucks, but at the same time, you gotta live with it and figure it out. Again, not the greatest of pickups, but it's an express shirt. It's listable. Hawker Rye, which I'm pretty sure is like one of the shirt from one of those companies that gives you like a box of clothes, but this thing goes for probably around 15. I looked up, so that's not bad. Some of the stuff I get, it's not even worth looking up. I just grab it. It's $1. Oh, Carbon to Cobalt. This brand right here, really good brand. It's a flannel. We're definitely gonna pick this up. We could probably get about 25-30 bucks out of this shirt. Carbon to Cobalt, very, very good. All right, so we found some J. Crew Flex chino khaki pants. J. Crew's pretty good for pants. Shirts and stuff I don't have a lot of luck with, but pants, for some reason, those go pretty good for them. So I usually pick up any J. Crew pants I find, especially for $1. These are Levi cargo khakis. I bet you I can get about 20, 25 out of these bad boys. I hope. Banana Republic viscose and like polyester sweater. Feels really good, looks really good. I like the powder blue color. We're gonna grab that for $1. These aren't in the best shape, but they're Adidas. And they're not vintage, but they're decent. I'll pick them up, they're only $1. I found 2 pair of wrestling shoes. If you don't know, wrestling shoes are really expensive brand new, so people like to buy them off eBay. We actually kind of hit the jackpot. We got 2 pair of Hoka running shoes. These ones right here, and then these. They're smaller sizes, but kids running shoes, probably high in demand right now. So really happy I found those. So I'm thinking about these. These are baseball cleats without spikes. And these would be perfect for my son, but they're a size too small, which sucks because he has cleats now, but he could really use some that aren't. I'm gonna look these up though. I've never looked them up. I think they're worth some decent money. Yeah, I forgot. They're called Boomba, and they're probably not worth picking up. They're only gonna go for like 20 bucks. I just don't want to spend the $5 to get them because they don't sell a lot either. Hot tomato. There it is, hot tomato. Never heard of hot tomato, and I'm guaranteeing it's not worth a dime. We're gonna get out of here though. I think we're done. Everybody's just waiting to check out. There's like 2 people ahead of me with full carts, so it's gonna be a minute. We actually did really good though. Got 2 pair of Hokas and 2 wrestling shoes. Like that made the trip right there. They're doing these for $1. There's like 5 of them or something, 4 of them. And this isn't. And I got a couple pair of shoes.
Where you been, man? I haven't seen you for a while.
I only get to come here when I pick up my son on the weekends. That's how often I come to these places. They haven't seen me for a while. It's probably been a month. Why? Because I'm poor. It's besides the point. So let you in on a little secret. I set my phone about right here. I close my door, and then I open it and put the bag down. You know, set the camera up before you put the bags in. All that cool stuff for like the good shots. The problem is I didn't record it. You know, because I messed it up like always. And I started talking to the camera like it was recording, and it wasn't. So it's a double whammy. But I messed it up. I didn't want to do it again. I got people looking at me as it is. So let's go pick up my son, and then we're gonna go home and kind of go over everything that we got. We're not gonna go one by one. I'm just gonna kind of let you know what I think I can make on the day. All right, so yeah, we're thrifting and stuff, but I got home and I noticed that I have a big problem. And let me show you guys what my problem is. I hate this part of being in a house is. Yes, I know this doesn't go with the whole reselling thing, but this is a daily vlog of my life. So tomorrow we are going to clean up the outside of the house and get these weeds and the grass mowed. All right, so I'm up here in the eBay room. I got a lot of stuff to do tonight. I got to get packages ready for tomorrow. I got like 30 things that I got to get packaged up. Actually, it's more like 40 because I still got some from Friday. Because I couldn't get them out on Saturday because the post office was closed for some reason. I don't know. The post office around here will be closed on a random Saturday. I guess because they call off. They don't have anybody to help. It doesn't matter. Still got a list. I still want to get like 10 more things in. We spent like $63 on everything from the 2 thrift stores. I only showed the 1, but we went to 2. Hoka shoes, both of those combined, should get us past that or get that. 2 things that I bought today will cancel out everything I bought, and then the 30 things that after that are gonna get me all profit. And we only really picked blue tags. I think we got 5 items that weren't blue tags, and we got like 33 items in total. So they're not the greatest, they're not the top brands, but they are good brands that will sell. Probably an average of 10 per, because there's some that are gonna make more, some that are gonna make less. We'll say 10 per, so I'm looking at a profit of probably right around $300. It's gonna be a daily vlog type thing of my life as a reseller, and the things that I do that are a little bit different than everybody else. I hope you guys follow me, subscribe, all that, like the video, and follow this journey. I appreciate it if you're still watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Like I said, if people want to watch, they want to watch. If they don't, they don't. But I'm going to keep on keeping on. And I hope you guys keep on keeping on with me. See you on the next one. Later.